Best Electric Bright Ideas Prize Patrol, and you're one of this year's winners!
Yay!
You are going to grow some stuff?
We are. Our green team, we want to be able to plant our seeds earlier in the year and start them growing in our inside, so then we can go outside and plant them in our beds outside.
So how did you come up with this idea?
Well, we've started with our garden, and last year at the end of school year, our kids were not able to pick the produce that and so we thought, well, if we could start earlier, then they will be able to reap the rewards. Well, this past year we did tomatoes and peppers and squash, and right now we want to do some winter crops, so we want to get some broccoli and cauliflower and greens.
Well, if some of it goes missing late one afternoon, don't come over to our office because
Okay.
I'll be having a salad.